Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 6 of same exercise 12.1. Okay, the question is very simple students. Just we have to state whether the given pair of terms like or unlike. Means we have to again identify the like and unlike terms. Pair of terms has been given. Okay, so we have to basically identify, we have to write them, okay, that whether they are like term or unlike term. So I have already explained you students about like and unlike terms during in my introduction video. If you have not seen there, then you see it, or no problem, I will explain you here also. like terms में क्या देखना है, वेरिएबल्स सेम होनी चाहिए, या तो भी दोनों कांस्टेंट होगा या तो भी दोनों वेरिएबल होगा, और अगर वेरिएबल है देन वी हैव टू लुक फॉर द सेम वेरिएबल. लाइक मीन्स इफ वन टर्म इज कंटेनिंग x, then another term must also containing the x and their power also. Like if both the terms are containing x and y, suppose 4x y and 9x y, here these terms are said to be like terms. But if we are having x y square and there only xy, then they are not like terms, है ना. So we have to look for the same variable and their power also. ठीक है, if constant is different then no matter, they will be said to like terms only. Now moving to the segment that I have written here students, we have to state them whether they are like terms or unlike terms. So here the very first segment is given as 1 and 100, so both are constant, so it will be like terms. ठीक है. Now here if you will see the first term students, we are having minus 7x, and if you will see the second term students, we are having 5/2x. So in both the terms we are having the same variable, that is x. So again it will be like terms only. Now moving to next students, here minus 29x, here minus 29y. we need not to see the coefficient, हम इस constant को नहीं देखेंगे, we will see only the variable. Here variable is x and here variable is y, and hence they are unlike terms. Okay, now moving to next fourth segment students, here we are having, in this term we are having 14xy and here we are having 42yx. See, I have already told you students that xy is always equal to yx. Like suppose here xy is equal to yx, I am writing. Suppose x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. In between multiplication sign is there. Here you will get 2 into 3. If you will multiply, here you will get 6, and here also you will get 6. Means xy is equal to yx. ठीक है, मैं ये क्यों बता रहा था, यहाँ पे 14xy है और यहाँ 42yx है, दोनों में भी सेम वेरिएबल है, बट यहाँ पे y पहले है और यहाँ पे x पहले है. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, regardless of their order students, they are equal, means xy is equal to yx. ठीक है, तो both of the these terms will be like terms. ठीक है. Now moving to next segment students, 4m square p and here 4m p square. ठीक है. Now if you will see here, then coefficient same, that we need not to see, है ना, coefficient तो देखना ही नहीं है. Now moving to variable, here we are having m square p and here we are having mp square. Okay, both the terms are containing mp. Okay, but here the power of m is 2 and here power of m is 1 only, and hence both the terms will be unlike terms. ठीक है. Now moving to last segment students, here we are having 12xz and here we are having 12x square z square. Both the terms are having x and z as variable, but here the power is different. Here is x square and z square, here is only x and z, and hence again they will be like terms. Like this we are identifying, we are classifying the terms students as like terms and unlike term. So this was your question number 6. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.